Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the firework fingers filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending section, so slide right here until you see editing. Go there. Okay, and remember this image, this is the filter. Tap on it, wait for the countdown. Okay, and you got the filter. Okay, so choose a plain background is better. Okay, so this is the effect, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, you can go to discover and you can search for firework finger effect. Okay, these are some video. Tap on the video, and at the bottom left corner of the screen you can see this effect icon. It's in yellow. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the record button. You can tap there and you can use the effect from here. And suppose you are not getting the effect like this also, then visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. And here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon. Okay, and you need to open this effect with TikTok. So let's open with app. Okay, we are in the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and there you go, you got the effect. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this firework finger effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.